You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. If you want to learn more biblical names, more names from the Bible that many mispronounce, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Pronounced in Hebrew, Enosh. Sometimes the spelling doesn't include the H at the end. In English, it's pronounced Enosh, the English pronunciation, sometimes Enos with an S, or Enosh from Hebrew, Enosh. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.